Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and it is Confetti Collection box time. And this is the one subscription that I have that's a subscription box, and I just wanted to open it in front of all of you. I know it is not diamond painting related, but guys, it is looks like it's going to be super fun craft. As you can see, when I open it, everything is wrapped, and it's got this normally they don't wrap the bubble wrap around the paper, but they did. So we're going to take this paper out. And what I like about this is that their reasoning behind the confetti collection is you can either keep it for yourself, or they give you the ability to give some of these things as gifts, and then you can use that shredded paper inside to fill the gift bag. So that, at least that's how they advertise it. All right, so first let's dive in. Whew, it's stuck on me. Okay, so what in the world is this? We're gonna open it up and see. It is it's like a hard plastic, kind of like a wine cooler. It says it's from X&O Celebrations Single Stemless Wine. Ooh, this will be nice for my Tuesday wine. It's got little, what are those? Cheetahs or little lepers? Leopards. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's where the root word comes from, right? So we learn something new every day. So I'm going to wash this because this will be great for me for tomorrow night. And then on the top, this has an open and shut. So my husband and I like to call these kind of things, or the tumblers, we like to call them adult sippy cups. So, okay, so let's open this up and let's be surprised at what's inside. Okay, so one of the things too is they didn't do a box a couple months ago because of the COVID. So this says, write it down, a journal for your desk and one to carry with you. Use them to capture your dreams, goals, and moments of gratitude. We love seeing your unboxing videos and photos. Use hashtag da-da-da-da. Okay, so let's rip this open. See what's in here. Okay, so this is so cute for diamond painting, guys. I literally just started writing in a journal I got from Dollar Tree for my Tipsy Tuesday videos. Check out tomorrow's. It's a good one. And this is awesome because it has a diamond on it and I can write what I want to do in my videos. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I know, it's the little things, right? And it's got that suede feeling to it. It's a journal with 192 pages. So that's super cute. And then, oh, okay, it even has a pocket in the back, so you can put little inserts in there. All right, that's cool. Put some stickers in there. All right. This is a ceramic magnetic frame set. This looks like something my mother-in-law would like. So you can put inside, it's this blue and white, and there's, okay, so that's how it's stuck inside. So I'll have to take those sticky glue things off. But you can put a picture in there, right? So cute. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so we have another, this is a magnetic pad that says hello. How fun is that? Super cute. Oh, I'm gonna love this. This is a birthday card set, a set of 3. It says handmade. Okay, so here's happy birthday, and it's a little, like, it's like 3D, and then this cute little envelope that comes with it. And then this is cute. Happy birthday. And it's got this cute envelope, and this says make a big wish. So this will be great for these upcoming birthdays that I have in my family. So the message inside says, wishing you a day filled with cake, presents, and joy. Happy birthday. Or here's to the best year yet. Or just plain happy birthday. How fun is that? All right. Ooh, what are these? Okay. Oh, this is a gift card holder? Okay. All right. So then you put your little gift card in there. So there's 2 of these. Maybe it's like to go with the happy birthday theme. They're like, give gift cards. Woohoo! Okay. So those are cute. One is white with red, and one is red with white. This might be something fun that I send something that's not a gift card in, because these boxes are ultra cute. I might put some stickers in there, or I might send, I love to send smilograms, so I could send maybe a cover minder or something like that. And then this is the last thing. I feel like it has like a spring meets Valentine's Day feel to it. And these boxes go out every 2 months, so maybe that's why it's like this, because they wanted to cover spring and Valentine's Day. Okay, so this is a journal as well. And so this journal belongs to If Found, Please Call. So I love these spiral journals because I like to be able to fold them back. And then I also like because they lay flat. So this is super cute for, I think it's like $25. And I mean, if I bought 3 cards at the store, even if I got the cheap ones, that's $6, and then a journal is like $5, and then all this other stuff. So I feel like, you know, this is a good collection. It looks like they did, you know, half and half. Some Valentine's-y, some, excuse me, spring-like. Now, normally, everything is matchy-matchy. This is kind of a Mod Podge of stuff, and I know they sent me an email that some of that is because of the COVID virus, but I still like all of this stuff, and I can't wait to use my wine cup and my diamond journal. So thank you so much for sticking to this short video. I love you all. I can't wait to see you, and don't forget to join me tomorrow for Tipsy Tuesday. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.